stem or between the branches on which they grow. Now, I invite Ridhima for the thought of the day.
Today's thought of the day. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunity to develop our talent. I repeat, all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunity to develop our talent. Thank you.
Thank you, Ridhima. Now, I call upon Urshvi for national news, Samreen for international news, Rona for sports news, and Manraj for weather report.
National news. Three CISF commandos dismissed after security breach at Nasir Dogan's home. BJP has launched a social campaign, Desh Ki's Badi Soch, to highlight PM Modi in a positive light. Defense Ministry gave Made in India equipment and system to Indian Army. Case against Samajwadi Party Azam Khan for threatening witnessing the land enrichment case. Thank you.
Today's international news is Indian students will hide IELTS score to fail the Speak English US court. US governments to Afghan assets stop despite frustration with Taliban. Pakistan ex-PM Imran Khan gets 3 days protective bail in terrorism case. China eases visa ban and boost to Indian students. Sri Lanka detaining students leaders under anti-terrorism law.
Today's sports news is New Zealand driver Shane has won his 16th race of Australian Supercars season after taking both wins on Sunday at Sandown. FIFA demands met. Indian football suspension likely to be lifted soon. Fallout from FIFA suspension continues in Indian football teams. Today's weather report. Maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Time of sunrise 5:54 a.m. Time of sunset 6:57 p.m.
Now, let us know what is equality and what does the Constitution has to say about it.
What is equality? Equality is defined as ensuring individuals or groups of individuals are not treated differently or less favorably on the basis of their specific protected characteristics, including areas of race, gender, disability, religion or belief, and age.
Discrimination, the unjust or the prejudicial treatment of the different categories of people, especially on the ground of race, age, gender, or disability is called discrimination. The only way all people can gain equality is to stop discrimination. Thank you.
What does the Constitution have to say about equality? In our Constitution, Article 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 tell us about the right to equality.
Right to equality. Article 14. Equality before law. The state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. Article 15 of the Indian Constitution prevents the state from discriminating against people based on caste, creed, gender, religion, or place of birth. Right to equality is a fundamental right guaranteed by the Constitution of India to the citizens of the country. Article 15 has 5 more clauses that empower the state in propagating the right to equality. Article 16. There shall be equal opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. At the last, I can say laws only are not sufficient to bring about change. What is required is rigorous implementation of the laws and changing the attitude of people.
Today we have learned a lesson that we are unequal, it matters.
Be the change.
This land is made for you only.
Now, I invite Fenley to recite a poem.
I, Shagun Singh, would like to recite a poem on equality. Superior, is that what you think you are? Superior, because your skin is lighter, because your hair is shorter, because your life is better, because your voice is deeper. Why? I thought you knew, but since you're superior, we have no equality to you. So, bow to the superior, bow. समानता सीखे हवाओं से, पेड़ों से, नदियों से, चांद से, सूरज से, जो सबको रोशनी, पानी, फल देते हैं और कभी भी ये भी नहीं कहते कि कौन अमीर, कौन गरीब है। इसी भावना को व्यक्त करते हुए प्रस्तुत है हमारा आज का लघु नाटक समानता सबका अधिकार।
क्या लेके आई हूँ? मैं तो पास्ता लाई हूँ, मैं सैंडविच लाई हूँ। सुनो सुनो, आज ना हम ब्रेक में छुपन छुपाई खेलेंगे। हाँ।
मैं भी खेलूंगा।
नहीं नहीं, ये खेल लड़के से खेलते हैं। हम लड़के अपना खेल खेलेंगी, तुम लड़के अपना खेल खेलना।
ये क्या बात हुई? हम भी खेलेंगे।
लड़के अलग खेलेंगे, हम लड़के अलग खेलेंगे। हाँ, ऐसे ही होगा।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं।
नहीं, हाँ ऐसे ही होगा।
मैम आ गई, मैम आ गई, मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
तुम किस बात का शोर कर रहे थे? मैम देखो, हम लड़कियां अपना खेल खेलना चाहती हैं और ये लड़के हमारे खेल के बीच में घुस रहे हैं।
ये क्या बात हुई मैम? क्या हम लड़के लड़कियों के साथ नहीं खेल सकते?
हाँ बिल्कुल खेल सकते हो। आज मैं इसी विषय पर बात करने वाली हूँ। क्या कोई बता सकता है मैं किस विषय की बात कर रही हूँ?
मैम खेलने के विषय पे।
नहीं
मैम खेलने से स्वस्थ रहते हैं।
नहीं।
मैम साथ मिलकर खेलने की।
हाँ मैं समानता की बात कर रही हूँ। क्या कोई बता सकता है समानता का क्या अर्थ है?
मैम इक्वालिटी।
नहीं, हिंदी में बताओ।
मैम मतलब सभी लोग एक समान।
हाँ बिल्कुल सही कहा तुमने।
पर मैम क्या सभी लोग एक समान हैं?
हाँ सभी लोग एक समान हैं।
पर मेरे पापा की इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी और इसके पापा की छोटी सी गाड़ी। मैम हम कैसे हुए एक समान? मेरे पापा का इतना बड़ा घर और इसका छोटा सा फ्लैट, कैसे हुए हम एक समान?
देखो, समानता घर, गाड़ी आदि चीजों से नहीं होती। समानता का अर्थ है कि इस धरती पर रहने वाले सभी लोग एक समान, सबको अपनी मर्जी से जीने का अधिकार है। अगर कोई किसी के जीवन में दखलंदाजी करता है तो वो उसकी शिकायत कर सकता है। अब समझ आई समानता का क्या अर्थ है?
अब समझे तुम दोनों? मैं तो समझ गया, इसका पता नहीं।
क्या मैम सभी लोग एक समान, अमीर, गरीब, मजदूर, किसान?
हाँ बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने।
मैम सभी लोग एक समान कैसे? गरीब लोग मॉल नहीं जाते, शॉपिंग नहीं करते, होटलों में खाना नहीं खाते, फिल्में नहीं देखते, तो हम कैसे हुए एक समान?
समानता का यह अर्थ भी नहीं है। समानता हमारी समझ और सोच पर आधारित है। समझी नविका?
हाँ जी मैम।
तो ठीक है बच्चों, तुम्हारा होमवर्क यह है कि तुम्हें समानता के ऊपर अपने अपने विचार लिखकर लाने हैं। ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम।
किया?
आज मैम ने हमें एक बहुत ही अच्छे विषय के बारे में बताया।
कौन से विषय के बारे में?
मैम ने बताया कि इस धरती पर सभी रहने वाले लोग एक समान।
अच्छा, तुम आराम करो, मैं तुम्हारे लिए खाने के लिए लेके आती हूँ।
ठीक है।
अरे कोई मुझे भी पानी देगा? ये शहर है कि जंगल, सारे आवारा पशुओं ने तो आतंक मचा दिया है।
हाँ, मैं भी कल मार्केट गई थी। मैंने देखा एक आवारा पशु बाइक के आगे आ गया था। अब बेचारा बाइक वाला हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है। अब पता नहीं उसका क्या हुआ।
तुमने बिल्कुल सही कहा।
हाँ, इस धरती से तो पशु पक्षियों को मिटा देना चाहिए। मुझे नफरत है इनसे।
पर मैम, पशु पक्षी भी तो इस धरती का हिस्सा है, उन्हें भी जीने का अधिकार है।
एकम, तुम अपना काम करो, बड़ों के बीच में नहीं बोलते। तुम जाओ और अपना होमवर्क करो।
वही तो कर रही थी।
मॉर्निंग बच्चों।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
तो क्या सबने अपना होमवर्क पूरा किया?
यस मैम।
मैम, मैंने नहीं किया।
मैम, ये तो बहाने मारती है। मैम, मैं अपना कोई काम नहीं करती। मैम, ये कभी भी अपना काम नहीं करती है।
मैम ये हमेशा बहाने मारती है।
मैम, इसने तो साइंस का काम भी नहीं किया। मैम, ये तो कोई भी काम नहीं कर रही। देखो, ऐसे नहीं बोलते। उसने सच कहा कि उसने अपना काम पूरा नहीं किया। एकम, तुमने अपना काम पूरा क्यों नहीं किया?
मैम, आपने हमें होमवर्क दिया कि समानता पर अनुच्छेद लिखो, पर मुझे तो कहीं समानता दिखी ही नहीं, तो मैं कैसे लिखती?
कहाँ नहीं दिखी तुम्हें समानता?
हम सब मनुष्य एक समान हैं, पर पशु पक्षी भी तो इस धरती का हिस्सा है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही कहा।
क्या कभी किसी ने पिंजरे में बंद शेर को पूछा अगर वो आजाद रहना चाहता है या पिंजरे में बंद रहना चाहता है? क्या किसी ने उड़ते हुए पक्षी को कभी पूछा कि वो स्वतंत्र बनना चाहता है या वो पिंजरे में बंद होना चाहता है? नहीं पूछा ना।
तुमने बिल्कुल सही कहा एकम। हम सब मनुष्य और पशु पक्षियों को इस धरती पर जीने का अधिकार है। तो आओ सब मिलकर बोलें,
हम सबका है यही विचार, समानता है सबका अधिकार।
हम सबका है यही विचार, समानता है सबका अधिकार।
Let's now enjoy a song on equality.
I have a dream of what I wanna be. I wanna be free. That's what my heart keeps telling me. If we are hard,
You find a way
yes we go
and feel the same.
if we help each other. I just know we can succeed. We are one, but we are different. We from all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same oceans. We are every boy and girl. Come together, let us share our dreams.
trees are alike, and yet there is no antagonism between the branches or them. Now, I would like to invite Raina ma'am to say a few words.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
What a lovely morning and what lovely assembly. Actually, my heart always fills with happiness whenever I see you people performing. Seema ma'am, wonderful show. Big round of applause for class 6. So I'll ask certain questions today. What all you had in the breakfast today? You had your breakfast? Okay, yes, we'll ask. What you had?
Paneer Prantha.
Paneer parantha, very good. Okay, anybody?
I had just one bread with milk.
Bread with milk. Okay.
Roti with paneer.
Roti with paneer. Okay.
Aloo paratha without onion.
Aloo paratha without onion. Okay. This side, anybody? Yeah.
I had a banana milkshake.
Banana milkshake. Wonderful.
I had idli.
Idli. Oh wow.
I had bread jam with milk.
Bread jam with milk. Okay.
I had mango shake.
You had mango shake. Mango shake. Okay.
I had pancakes with maple syrup.
Maple syrup. Wow, wonderful. So what you people have noticed? There is so much of variety that is available. Okay? So just imagine if your mom is going to serve you every day just milk or bread every day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, how would you feel? No? Good? Somebody saying good? No. No, we will not feel good. So, like, if you see that around us, everything is not similar. That is the beauty. If we look at our own siblings, if we look at our own family, our views are not similar. Do you think alike, all of us? No. In the family? No. Even in school, if you just talk to your friend, they all have difference of opinion. And we live in a diverse country. India is beautiful. Just see that. There are different states, different languages that we speak, different kind of, you can say, cuisine that we have. That is why we are able to enjoy that idli sambar that comes from South India. Then we have even incorporated like international cuisine also. We have made it our own pizza. Like हम उसको कहते हैं. What kind of pizza we say? Paratha pizza. Yes, I know. Yeah, this is what I was expecting. So this is the beauty. And equality, very nicely put up in the in that skit, that they were just discussing, all the children were discussing that when we look around, we see that so many differences. How can we say that we are still equal? If you look at individuals, we all have eyes to look around, to enjoy the beauty of the world. We all can speak, okay? Although maybe resources-wise, maybe we will be different. But still, nature has given us like so many things which all of us can enjoy similarly. Now what we can do as a school? Anybody will help me? How we can incorporate this equality in school? Anybody from audience today? Yes? Anybody? How can we incorporate this? Yes, come.
Change of mindset, because everybody still, we always say that gender, we don't have any gender discrimination, we don't have any stereotypes, but there are some places where I still see that, you cannot, like for example, I'm taking females cannot drive, because what happened very recently, yesterday only, my friend's papa, he only said that females cannot drive. So I politely told him that females can also drive. It doesn't mean that whatever boys can do, whatever males can do, females can also do that. Everyone is equal in the world. It doesn't mean that she's dark skinned, she's white skinned, I don't like her, or she doesn't study well, so I don't like her, or I don't like him. There's nothing like that in this world. when a child or when a student have a disability, we cannot, marginalize that person. It's also one of the chapters in our history also, marginalization.
Okay, you are going to revise the chapter, I guess. Thank you so much. Okay, big round of applause. I don't think somehow I felt that if people are saying that females cannot drive, I don't think that somebody has said this from school. All the lady teachers in school, they drive. Every day they are coming driving. Like on their own, I don't know. I don't think that this has happened in our school. Has it happened here?
It was just an example.
Okay, please give relatable example. I was really wondering. Yes, Vita, you want to say something? Yes, okay.
Ma'am, like sometimes the gender equality, like when there's a sports period, some like girls and boys play different. Girls say that we want to play different, and the boys say that we also want to play, but the girls sometimes.
But we have to appreciate. This is what I am saying. Diversity will be there. We are different, no problem in that. This is what I am saying. You do not have to tease that, okay, this is girls' game, only girls should play this game. This is boys' game, only boys should play this game. This is what I am also saying. This is what actually message was there. Okay? So, despite having all our differences of opinion maybe, or our games are different, or maybe the way we enjoy our food, that may be different, the way we present ourselves may be different, maybe the way we present ourselves, that will be different. But still, we have to appreciate each other's opinion. We have to appreciate each other's existence. This is what we need to learn. And this is what we can do as a school. Okay? So what you need to do, you will stop teasing others. Okay, you cannot play this game or you cannot play that game. Rather than saying that, let us all start appreciating each other. Can we do this? Yes. Okay. Then in the true sense, we will be applying this equality in our lives. Thank you so much, Seema ma'am, once again, and your team. It was a wonderful event. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite my fellow friends that have their birthday in this month.
My name is Cameron from class 8C. My birthday is on 20th August.
My name is Kusha Hashkar from 7C, and my birthday is on 12th August.
Hi, Monica, and I'm from 7th B.
My name is Risha from 7th B, and my birthday is today.
I'm Siraj from 8C, and my birthday is on 24th August.
I'm Naveen Kaur from 7A and my birthday is on 25th August. I'm Simran from 6th.
Sean 8th, 7th August.
I'm Karman Kaur from 7C and my birthday is on 20th August. I'm Ibnu Kaur from 7C and my birthday was on 19th August.
My name is Raghav and my birthday is on 26th August.